Hey JD Rockers, welcome to JD Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another segment of the cleaning table, and today we're going to be cleaning a remora, or shark sucker, whichever you like to call them. And without the other day, and I got one with my buddy Ken, we got 3 in one day, which normally, I don't know, the past 20 trips I haven't even caught one. So finally, in that one day, I caught 3. So we're going to show you today how to clean one. They're actually not a bad fish to eat. They're actually pretty good. You just don't get a whole lot of meat off that fish. So I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Alright guys, well, we got my 3 remoras here, and this is what they use to suck onto the sides of sharks, turtles, manta rays, or anything else they want to tag along with. What they do is they attach themselves to it and just cruise along with the fish and pick up the scraps. A pretty cool little thing, not something you see every day. Well, we're going to start cleaning with some of these things. They're pretty easy fish to clean. There's not a lot of meat on a remora, but the meat is really good looking. Really bony right up in this part, really bony. This one's obviously got some eggs. Really tough skin, really tough skin. As you can see, the meat is actually a pretty color. Pretty white color. There's just not a lot on there. And I think that is why they've gotten the reputation of being a trash fish, because there's just not much meat on them. Alrighty, get the eggs out of there. Alright, let me rinse these off real quick. Here we go, JD Rockers. Here's the fillet off one of the remoras. As you can tell, the meat looks really similar to cobia. So we're just going to come along here and we're just going to skin it. They have really tough skin, so it's really easy to skin. Really easy to skin. And that's what you're left with. There's the fillet. We'll take these rib cages off. Right about here. And right through here, they got some really dominant pin bones. Right there, just like that. And there is a finished remora fillet. And as you can tell, the meat looks really good. Now, some people have said they taste a lot like triggerfish. They taste a lot like cobia. I'm gonna go with the fact that they do resemble cobia. I'm not going to say they taste a lot like cobia, but they do resemble cobia in flavor and texture. Alright. There we go, guys. Nice little fillet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fillet one more for you guys. That skin is so tough, y'all. I mean, it is like cutting through shoe leather. Probably one of the toughest skins of a fish I've ever filleted. Right next to a triggerfish. Go ahead and skin one more. Super easy fish to skin because the skin is so tough. There's pin bones out. There you go. Really good looking piece of meat, guys. And I will say, I normally do, whenever I'm out and I catch a remora, I normally do keep them because I do like them. I just don't catch them a whole lot. There's not something I don't get them every trip usually. I mean, I've gone out probably, I don't know, a dozen times and I haven't got one. But on this trip, this one trip, I got 3. And honestly, if it wasn't for these, I probably wouldn't have nothing really to take home other than a couple blue runners that I'm going to use for shark bait and a spot tail porgy. Alright guys, well I'm going to get this other one cleaned and I'll see you guys in a little while. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a real quick video on how to clean a remora. Just another video to add to my cleaning table playlist, another species. They're actually a pretty good fish to eat, and there's going to be a catch and cook video coming out here real soon. Might actually even come out before this video. See how things go. But they're actually really good to eat. You just don't get a lot of meat off them, as you would see. But the meat's really pretty. It's really clean meat and has a really good smell to it. So it's not bad at all. But they are ugly fish, and you don't get a lot of meat out of them. Well guys, I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me for this short little video and watching me clean this fish. And I want to thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing to my channel. You guys are awesome and I appreciate you guys very much. And thank you very much guys. I really mean that. Well, until I get to see you guys soon here on the water, tight lines, Jetty Rockers. And if you like this video, shoot me a thumbs up, y'all. Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.